Welcome back to my channel. My today's recipe is chicken duck bungalow. It is a wholesome chicken curry prepared with basic and easily available spices. So let's get started with the recipe.
Here are the ingredients we need to prepare the marinade. Washed and clean chicken pieces 750 grams, mustard oil 2 tablespoons, ginger paste half tablespoon, garlic paste half tablespoon, red chili powder 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon, cumin powder half teaspoon, coriander powder half teaspoon, beaten curd 3 tablespoons. Now let's prepare the marinade. Add all the ingredients in a mixing bowl. Mix well till evenly combined. This is an almost lost recipe believed to have its origin in British colonial kitchens. Duck bungalows are rest houses in British India built for travelers to take rest during their long journey. The marinade is ready now. Place the chicken pieces and mix well with the marinade. Cover the chicken and refrigerate it for minimum 1 hour. You can marinate the chicken overnight to get best result. Before cooking, take the marinated chicken out from the refrigerator and let them thaw to almost room temperature. Now, let's check the ingredients for Duck Bungalow Special Masala. Dry red chili 4 pieces, cumin seeds 2 teaspoons, whole black pepper 4 pieces, whole garam masala in which I have taken cardamom 4 pieces, cinnamon 2 sticks each 1 inch, clove 3 pieces. You can also use 1 small Javitri, it's optional. Now dry roast the whole spices in a frying pan till the aroma of the spices starts coming. Make sure the spices don't get burned. Keep the flame low. Remove the pan, let the spices cool down. Once cool down, grind it and make a paste. Duck bungalow style curry can be cooked with chicken as well as mutton. The recipes are slightly different. I have added 2 tablespoons water while making the paste. Now let's check the ingredients for chicken duck bungalow. Marinated chicken, duck bungalow special masala, boiled eggs 3 pieces, washed and peeled potato 3 medium size cut into half, mustard oil 4 tablespoons, dry red chili 1 piece, Shahi garam masala powder half teaspoon, green chili 2 pieces, whole garam masala in which I have taken cardamom 2 pieces, clove 2 pieces, 1 cinnamon stick 1 inch, chopped onions 2 cups, chopped tomato half cup, ginger paste 1 teaspoon, garlic paste 1 teaspoon, water 1 cup, sugar half teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon. Now sprinkle turmeric powder and salt on potatoes and eggs and coat them very well. This recipe is very rich in taste, spicy and flavorful and apt for any occasion or festival. Heat oil in a pan and shallow fry the potato pieces till it turns light golden brown. It is said that the caretakers of those rest houses used to cook this dish for their guests. Since it was mainly cooked by the cooks of duck bungalows, the very name came from there. In the same way, shallow fry the eggs, then remove the pan and keep aside. Again, heat 4 tablespoons oil in a pan. Heat it well before adding the tempering. Add the whole spices. Let them splutter. Add the chopped onions. Saute them until the onions turn translucent. Now add ginger and garlic paste. Saute for 1 to 2 minutes and add chopped tomatoes. Stir fry the mixture until the tomatoes become soft. Now pour in the marinated chicken, stir well and add the Duck Bungalow special masala. Keep the flame lower medium. Mix it very well for 5 minutes, then add in the fried potatoes. Stir the potatoes well with the mixture and cover and cook for 5 minutes in lower medium flame. Now, after 5 minutes, remove the lid, stir the mixture well and adjust salt and sugar. Stir the mixture very well. When you see oil starts releasing, then add 1 cup water. Mix it well and add the fried eggs and green chilies. Now cover and cook for 10 to 12 minutes. Keep stirring in between. Remove the lid after 10 to 12 minutes. Check the potatoes. If they are done, add garam masala powder. Turn off the flame and give the recipe 10 to 15 minutes standing time. Dear friends, if you enjoy the recipe, give it a like, share, comment and feel free to subscribe my channel. Our chicken duck bungalow is ready to be served now. Enjoy it with steaming hot rice. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Till then, bye.